Let's look at the 28-piece 1/4 mini Ratchet and Bit Set by Bonaire. Here's what they have in it. And that was the packaging. And this is the actual case right here. Like this case looks like glass, but it's actually plastic. I believe. Where's the glass? And it's plastic, I think. No, it's actually glass. No, it's plastic. I don't know, I really can't tell, but it looks like glass. Anyways, nice case right here. Looks like steel construction. It has aluminum body, sidings, and this right here, it's plastic, but it has a nice rough material. See all your bits. Easy access. You got all your size measurements labeled right here, so you know where to put it. Easy to take out. This foam right here. This is pretty durable. Feels pretty solid. Let's look at it. Looks pretty cool. I like the way that it's packaged. See all your tools. Nice and compact.